Hello guys, you're welcome to Vince Tech class. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through text classification in natural language processing. Text classification is a common task in natural language processing that involves automatically assigning predefined categories or labels to textual data. It is used to classify documents, emails, customer reviews, news articles, social media posts, and more. Now in Python, you can perform text classification using various libraries, such as NLTK, Parsi, or scikit-learn. Now here is an example of text classification using scikit-learn, one of the popular libraries for machine learning in Python. We start by importing the required libraries. That is from sklearn.feature extraction.txt, we import the TF-IDF vectorizer. From sklearn.module selection, we import the trained text split. From sklearn.svm, we import the linear SVC, that is the support vector machine. Next, we define our sample text data and their corresponding labels. And now these labels represent the sentiment of the text, either positive or negative. That is, I love this movie. Its corresponding label is positive. The plot was predictable. Its corresponding label is negative. The acting was brilliant. Its corresponding label is positive. I didn't enjoy watching it. Its corresponding label is negative. And the film was a disappointment. Its corresponding label is negative. Next, we use the TF-IDF vectorizer class from scikit-learn to preprocess and convert the raw text into numerical features. Now, the TF-IDF vectorizer assigns weights to words based on their frequency in the text and the reality in the entire data set. That is, this is our sample text data here. Next, we split our data set into training and testing using the train text split function. And we have our text size of 0.2. That is 20% of our data will be used for testing, while 80% of our data will be used for training. Next, we train the classifier, that is the linear support vector machine, and we fix our X train and the Y train. Now, once the classifier is trained, we can classify new text. That is, the movie exceeded my expectation, by transforming it into features using the same vectorizer, and then using the predict method of the classifier. And finally, we print the label for the new text, which gave us a positive sentiment. That is a positive sentiment here. For this new text, that is, the movie exceeded my expectation. And also note that this is a simplified example. And in practice, you will typically perform more extensive preprocessing, use a larger data set for training, and fine-tune the classifier for better performance. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you.